Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In today's lecture, we will be taking up a very good example of summation of series in algebra. It's part of the algebra where the value of a is given. A is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 4 and b is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 4. When these a and b values are given, then how to find out a summation of series 1 plus a square minus b square by a minus b plus a cube minus b cube by a minus b plus and so on up to a to the power of n minus b to the power of n divided by a minus b, where n tends to infinity. This is the problem. We have to solve this problem and we will be using the parameters of geometric series, and also we will split this equation into two parts and we will apply the geometric series to find the sum of the geometric series in terms of a and b, and then we will apply the values of a and b and see whether this particular series converges to some value. Convergence of the series, whether it is converging to some value, converging of the series. If it converges, what is the value of the series? When the series goes up to n tends to infinity. Here 1 can be written as a minus b by a minus b. This is nothing but a minus b by a minus b. And we have to use certain logic and solve this problem, and how to solve it and how to get the answer. We will be going into the details now. What is the question given? Question is to find the value of 1 plus a square minus b square by a minus b plus a cube minus b cube by a minus b plus up to a to the power of n minus b to the power of n by a minus b, where n tends to infinity. This is the meaning of it. Here value of a is given as 1 plus root 3 by 4 and b is given as 1 minus root 3 by 4. Let us try to find the solution. Here, as I told previously, the value of 1 can be written as a minus b by a minus b. So that for the whole series, we will take a minus b as common, or we can leave it as it is, 1 by a minus b as common. Then if we leave it as it is also, there is absolutely no problem. The series can be S is equal to 1 plus a square minus b square by a minus b. Let us try to simplify this value up to a to the power of n minus b to the power of n by a minus b, where n tends to infinity. This is the series. This will be equal to 1 plus, let us take 1 by a minus b as the common. If we take 1 by a minus b as common, what happens? We will treat 1 as it is, let us not change, and 1 by a minus b we will take it as common. Then the series becomes a square minus b square plus a cube minus b cube plus a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 up to infinity. Geometric series. This will become 1 plus 1 by a minus b into, let us separate a's and b's. A square plus a cube plus a to the power of 4 to infinity minus b square, because it is minus b square minus b cube. Minus we have to add for the whole series of b. B square plus b cube plus b to the power of 4 up to infinity. This is the total series. Now, we have two geometric series, a square plus a cube and b square plus b cube plus b to the power of 4 up to infinity, and we have to find out the value. A square plus a cube plus a to the power of 4 plus, that will be equal to infinite geometric series a square by 1 minus a, and b square plus b cube plus b to the power of 4 plus up to infinity. This will be b square by 1 minus a, 1 minus b, sorry. Here a and b values are given. What is a? A is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 4. B is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 4. This is equal to 1 plus 1.732 by 4. That means 2.732 by 4. That is less than 1. B is also less than 1. 1 minus root 3 by 4. Root 3 is 1.732. 1 plus 1.732 is 2.732. 2.732 by 4 is always less than 1. It's less than 1. B is less than 1. 1 minus root 3. If you want, you can calculate the values. A is equal to approximately 1 plus 1.732 by 4, that is 2.732 by 4. What is the value of 2.732 by 4? What is the value of 2.732 by 4? 0.683. Less than 1. That means absolute value of A is less than 1. Then what is B? B is equal to 1 minus 1.732 by 4. That is equal to minus 0.732 by 4. That is equal to 0.732 by 4, how much? Because root 3 is 1.732. Minus 0.183. That implies absolute value of B is less than 1. Because absolute value of B is 0.183. Hence, the geometric series, whatever we have found, a square plus a cube plus a to the power of 4 up to infinity is equal to a square by 1 minus a, and b square plus b cube plus b to the power of 4 up to infinity is equal to b square by 1 minus b, or both are valid, because absolute values of a and b are less than unity. Now, sum of a's we will call it as SA, that is equal to a square by 1 minus a. What is the value of a? 1 plus root 3 divided by 4 whole square, a square means, divided by 1 minus 1 plus root 3 by 4. This 4 gets cancelled, here 4 square, here it is 4. 4 get cancelled, and it will be 1 plus root 3 whole square divided by 1 minus 1 plus root 3. 4 minus 1 plus root 3, because 4 is the LCM. Do you agree? That is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 plus root 3 whole square divided by 3 plus root 3. This is the value of sum of A values. What is the sum of A values? That is equal to A square plus A cube plus A to the power of 4 plus so and so. Then sum of B's, that is equal to B square plus B cube plus B to the power of 4 up to infinity is equal to B square by 1 minus B. That is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 4 whole square whole divided by 1 minus root 3 by 4. Similarly, in the similar way, if we calculate, this is 1 by 4 into 1 minus root 3 whole square divided by 4 minus 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 by root 3. That is, this is 3 plus root 3, it is not 3 plus root 3, it is 3 minus root 3. This is. Here also it is 3 minus root 3. Here it will be 4 minus 1 plus root 3. That is 3 plus root 3. This is the value of sum of the B's. Sum of the A's, sum of the B's we have got. Now what we have to get is A minus B. What is the value of A minus B? A minus B is equal to root 1 plus root 3 by 4 minus 1 minus root 3 by 4. That is equal to 1 get cancelled, 2 into root 3 by 4. That is equal to root 3 by 2. Now, what is the value of total sum? Total sum is equal to 1 plus 1 by A minus B into sum of A terms, sum of B terms, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by A minus B is root 3 by 2. That is 2 by root 3, 1 by A minus B. Into SA is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 plus root 3 whole square, 1 plus root 3 whole square divided by 3 minus root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 whole square, 1 minus root 3 whole square divided by 3 plus root 3. 1 plus 1 by 2 root 3 into, this 4 is gone now, 3 plus root 3 into 1 plus root 3 whole square minus 3 minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 whole square whole divided by 3 minus root 3 into 3 plus root 3. Three minus root 3 into 3 plus root 3 is how much? 3 square minus 3, that is 6. that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 root 3 into 1 by 6 into 1 plus root 3 whole square 3 plus root 3. This calculation you should be able to do. 1 plus root 3 whole square is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 2 into root 3 minus 3 minus root 3 into 1 plus 3 minus 2 into root 3. We have already taken care of the denominator. That is equal to 1 plus 1 by 12 root 3 into 3 into 4 is 12, 3 into 2 is 6 root 3 plus 3 into 4, 4 root 3. Please see, plus 2 into 3 is 6 minus 3 into 4 is minus 3 into 4 is 12 minus 12 minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6 plus 6 root 3 minus into minus plus plus into 4 plus 4 root 3 minus into minus plus plus into minus 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 6. Then 6 get cancelled, 12 get cancelled. Ultimately the answer becomes, this is equal to 1 plus 1 by 12 root 3 into 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 10 plus 10 20. 20 root 3. Root 3 get cancelled and 4 3 ja 4 5 ja. Then it becomes 1 plus 5 by 3, that is equal to 8 by 3. This series is converging to a value of 8 by 3. It's a good exercise for Surds and also multiplication, division of square roots and Surds, that is SURDS, and it's a very good example on algebra. That means we have applied many rules of algebra here and we got the answer, geometric series and also Surds, and also we have applied our arithmetical skills by substituting the values of A and B. Hence, the value of answer is 8 by 3. With this, I want to conclude this lecture, and if there is a value addition to you because of this lecture, kindly share my channel link to others, your friends, and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. This is a very good example. This has appeared in one of the higher mathematics question papers, not directly similar way, but I have modified little bit and I have given you this question. It's a very good question. Substitution of the Surds values and also square root values, squaring them and finding the geometric series of two series when combined, how to find out the geometric series sum and how to go about and to solve it. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.